Onions are a well-known vegetable used in a variety of ways by many health-conscious individuals. Onion juice, however, offers unique health benefits when compared to other vegetables and is an easy way to obtain its incredible nutrition and potent plant compounds. 1 to 2 tablespoons is often recommended if consuming onion juice regularly. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming onion juice. First, onion juice is very nutrient dense and contains various vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. It is a good source of vitamin C, manganese, potassium, vitamin B6, and folate among many others. It is also a good source of antioxidants, fiber, and antibacterial properties. Like the nutrients mentioned above, onion juice is packed with antioxidants that can reduce free radicals, boost immunity, and reduce illness. Incredibly, onions and onion juice contain over 20 different kinds of flavonoid antioxidants. Onion juice also contains good levels of anthocyanins and vitamin C. If you are looking to improve the health of your heart, drinking onion juice regularly can help to reduce the risk of heart disease and its risk factors. Onion juice and its amazing compounds can help to reduce cholesterol levels as well as triglycerides. Also, due to its potent anti-inflammatory compounds and antioxidants, especially quercetin, it can help to regulate blood pressure levels and reduce inflammation. Consuming onion juice can also help to improve overall digestive health. This is attributed to its good levels of prebiotics and dietary fiber, both of which optimize gut health. The prebiotics in onion juice can help good bacteria in the gut to thrive while also improving nutrient uptake and regularity. Lastly, regular consumption of onion juice can help to regulate and control blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that onion juice can help to decrease fasting blood sugar levels, while the unique compounds in it, such as sulfur compounds and quercetin, can provide anti-diabetic effects. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.